Today, let's learn why isn't my iPhone backing up to iCloud. Failed. And we will focus on the methods that can solve the problem. Part 2. How to fix iCloud backup failed issue 7 solutions. Solution 1. Check iCloud settings on iPhone. Open iPhone settings. Tap Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Check if iCloud backup is on. Tap Backup now. Off. Turn it on. Then tap Backup now. Solution 2. Clear iCloud storage. Tip 1. Buy more iCloud space. Tip 2. Turn off the applications that do not need to backup. Tip 3. Delete unnecessary or old backups or files in iCloud. Solution 3. Restart iPhone and back up again. If you have tried many methods and your iPhone still cannot be backed up to iCloud, then you can simply restart your iPhone and see if the problem persists. Solution 4. Check out your network and network settings. Solution 5. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. If it's not a storage or a network connection issue, then you can try logging out and logging back into iCloud to fix the problem. This is a simple and effective, but underrated solution. Solution 6. Update iOS to the latest version. Sometimes, the reason why iPhone won't back up to iCloud is that you haven't updated the iOS system. Solution 7. Lock your iPhone screen. If you set up automatic backups on your iPhone, then you must ensure that your iPhone is locked before you can continue the backup process. Part 3. Alternative way to back up your iPhone using Assistant for iOS. Our recommended software is called Mobikin Assistant for iOS, and it is designed to meet the management and backup and restore requirements of iOS devices. I believe it can match you perfectly. Simply follow the steps here to back up your iPhone when the iCloud backup not working. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. Step 2. Scan and choose the files you want. Step 3. Start to back up your iPhone.